Fine face, slim waist. Got the juice, make your own a guy chase. Body good, but the vibe made me chase. When she carry herself, me won't go praise. Got her own, never need a mind paper. All my no picking king guitar. Told her save me.
Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, and this is just my everyday makeup look. This is what I do basically every day to look like what I look like right now. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna just go ahead and brush it. Make sure they're going the same direction and stuff, you know, all the good stuff. If I look cross-eyed, it's because I'm looking at the camera, the mirror over here. I'm trying to make it like this so I can see. I don't put on any eyeshadow. I don't have time for that, so I just do this and go. So yeah, my foundation broke, so I'm gonna have to do it like the cutaway. But hey, as long as the makeup's on. It's really important to take care of your skin so that when it's time to put foundation on, it's not that much of a hard work or anything. So for the top, I use this because I use this because it's just easier to blend it in with the little bit of space that I have up there. Now for the part that I find the most important is contouring your face, because this is where you become who you are. This is when your face gets to where you want it to be. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this, I think it's Rimmel. Is damp, but it's not. I lost my favorite concealer, which was the Clinique concealer, and I can't find it, so I had to buy a different concealer. So I did. So I went to Walmart real quick and I bought this one, and I actually like it. Like, it blends in so well, because you want your contours to look natural, but you also want it to snatch your skin. Look how fast I'm doing makeup. Yeah. So then I go in with my LA Girl Fawn. Under my eyes a little bit more, just to make it more like dramatic. I put a little bit too much. I always put too much. Spread it out. Yeah. We honestly don't need this much. If you're going for your everyday makeup look, it should look like pretty natural, you know? Because, you know, it's your everyday makeup look. So I kind of messed up because I put too much. I'm gonna try to distribute it. So I'm making ugly faces. I know that when I do makeup, when I go watch the videos, I'll be like, what the heck was I doing with my face? And when you're doing your makeup, make sure you blend it out over here, because you don't want a line. that shows like, oh, this is where she contoured. This is where she highlighted. You don't want to be that person. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I just want to blend it. The more you blend, the more natural looking your makeup looks. And the more better you look. So make sure you take your time and blend. And I'm going to go in with my setting powder. It doesn't matter what brand, to be honest. Just get a setting powder that's banana if you're dark skin. Because this video is like towards dark skins. But you can also, like if you're white, you can also do basically, because all makeup is basically the same steps. It's just using different color products for like if you're, you know, lighter or white or Hispanic or Asian, doesn't matter. You just use different color stuff, but basically the same process. So that's why sometimes I will watch a white girl do a tutorial. Come on, think about it. It's basically the same steps. Basically, it's. Yeah, I'm looking a little white. Yeah, I might be like, what the heck is she doing? But trust me, baby girl, it's part of the process. Trust the process. I like to blend mine in. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I like to blend it in, tap it in. And then, like, I don't know how long you're supposed to bake. I really don't. I just be going. While I'm letting that bake, I'm going to contour the face. Alright, so I use black radiance, of course. If you're black and you're not using black radiance, what are you doing? What are you doing if you're black and you're not using black radiance? What are you doing? There it is. I have like multiple palettes. Alright, so now just going with this. You see how going it is? That's how much I use it. Okay, I'm gonna do my nose first because that's what I always do. Okay. I have a really flat nose, so I had to contour my nose like. If I get in trouble here, that's a contour my face like really well. I'm going to take a brush and just try to get off as much powder as I can. Just fluff it out. When you've gotten as much as you think you've got, you can get going with the spoon. Can I talk? Go in with a beauty blender and then tap revenge. I want this video to be over 15 minutes, so I'm trying to go fast. So I tap and then I blend it out over here just to make it match my color more. So I recommend you bring your nose contour into your cheeks. Then I'm gonna go in with my favorite. This gives you a glowy natural look. This is the Badescu spray, and I'll just go ahead and spray that all over my face. I don't like that being sprayed on my face. I feel like I say that in every video, but I really don't. And then I just go over it. Alright, so the next thing is, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is go with my other contour palette and just contour my face some more, because you really want your face to look snatched. So I use this darker one. It comes on really heavy, so kind of know how much you actually want to put. I just put it down there too because I have a double chin. Let me slow down because you don't want it to come off as too much. Okay. Again, brush your eyebrows because next, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some blush. Just this Bobbi Brown, but it doesn't matter what brand it is. You just want to go ahead with the brush. Yeah. Go a little above your contour. Just do a little bit. A little something, I'm gonna go with my highlight. This is my to-go-to highlight, the Wet n Wild. I use it every freaking day, basically. I'm trying to learn how to really highlight. I definitely feel like I can improve how I highlight, but I didn't learn. Y'all, this is a joke. I'm over it. The devil don't want to see me succeed. I just had to went through this whole struggle of buying more storage for my phone because I ran out. Like, what? I'm so mad right now. I bet you Android users do not be having this problem. Now I have 200 gigabytes. That better be enough storage. Like, alright guys, this is the final look. Put my lashes on, put everything on. And yeah, this is the final look. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye guys.